Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake, and today we're diving into something a little different but equally exciting for all you kitchen enthusiasts and prosumers out there, the 2F330-24 gas 72-inch range with griddle. Now, on first glance, this thing is an absolute beast. I mean, we're talking 6 burners, a massive griddle, and a seriously spacious oven all wrapped up in this industrial style, professional grade package. And honestly, this isn't just for looks, it's designed to perform. Starting with the design, the 2F330-24 immediately grabs your attention. It's built like a tank, made for the type of kitchen where reliability and performance are non-negotiable. The stainless steel finish isn't just aesthetic, it's durable, easy to clean, and it gives you that premium, professional kitchen vibe. The knobs are solid, tactile, and they give you precise control over your burners. There's nothing flimsy here. Every touch feels deliberate, which is something I really appreciate in a high-end range like this. Speaking of burners, let's talk power. We have 6 high-output burners capable of everything from a gentle simmer to full-on high-heat searing. Each burner delivers consistent, reliable heat, which is crucial whether you're cooking delicate sauces or boiling large pots of water. And the spacing between the burners? Perfect. You can have multiple pots and pans going at once without worrying about crowding, which is something I personally love when I'm doing a multi-course meal. Now, let's move to the griddle, the real showstopper here. It's spacious, heats evenly, and gives you a surface area that most home ranges just don't offer. Pancakes, bacon, searing steaks, it handles it all like a champ. The heat distribution is surprisingly uniform, and the surface cleans up without too much hassle, which is always a plus because nobody wants to spend more time cleaning than cooking. Moving on to the oven, the 2F330-24 doesn't disappoint. It's large, deep, and incredibly versatile. The temperature control is precise, which means even baking and roasting every time. And it's not just big, it's smartly designed. The interior racks are adjustable, allowing you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously without worrying about crowding. For those who entertain often or have larger families, this is a huge win. One thing that really impressed me is the efficiency. Despite its size and power, the 2F330-24 heats quickly, responds to temperature changes almost instantly, and maintains consistent heat. That's something even some smaller ranges struggle with, so having that kind of performance in a professional-grade 72-inch range is a big deal. Another aspect worth mentioning is cleaning and maintenance. Stainless steel is generally easy to wipe down, but this model goes a step further with features like removable grates, a smooth cooktop surface, and well-thought-out oven racks. It's clear the designers didn't just focus on performance, they thought about the user experience from start to finish. And of course, we have to talk versatility. Whether you're a serious home cook, a small business owner, or just someone who loves entertaining, this range is designed to adapt. You can go from simmering delicate sauces to flipping pancakes on the griddle to roasting a massive turkey, all in one seamless workflow. It's the combination of flexibility and power that really sets it apart from more traditional home ranges. Now, I also want to touch on the aesthetic presence. Let's be honest, this is a statement piece. It's not just about cooking, it's about having something in your kitchen that says, yeah, I take my cooking seriously. The 72-inch width, the stainless steel finish, and the professional style knobs all combine to give it a commanding presence without feeling gaudy. It's bold, but tasteful. In terms of safety, this model has you covered. The burners are engineered with precision, the griddle comes with safety features to prevent overheating,